2024-2025 was a banner year for the A-rated school district of Palm Beach County. The first day of school was filled with smiles and eager anticipation as students and staff headed back to the classroom at several modernized campuses, including Grove Park Elementary School. Only a few months into the school year, Hurricane Milton brought challenges to our community, but it also brought out the best in Team Palm Beach. School leaders opened shelters, school food service served meals, and even students pitched in to help their neighbors. The Showcase of Schools is one of the best nights of the year, with hundreds of choice programs on display for students to find a pathway for their passions. On Election Day, Palm Beach County showed its unwavering support for our students by passing the half penny for schools. We also welcomed 3 new school board members: Matthew J. Lane in District 1, Virginia Savieto in District 2, and Gloria Branch in District 5. Students' talents shine this year through music and the arts, like the state marching band competitions, and on the athletic field for numerous state titles. Our partners at the Education Foundation of Palm Beach County celebrated a milestone, opening a new 32,000 square foot space to better serve our schools and honor our outstanding staff at the annual Celebrate the Great Awards. Community experiences took students out of the classroom for hands-on learning to some of Palm Beach County's local gems. 2 new therapy dogs, Athena and Leo, quickly became beloved members of our first-rate school police department, offering support and comfort to students and staff. The first Future Makers Forum empowered students to find their voice and use it to problem solve and bring about change on their campuses. We honored our business partners and volunteers that help our schools succeed every day. Looking forward to next school year is the class of 2038. Families learned all that is in store for them during kindergarten kickoff events at our elementary schools. From the littlest dreams to the biggest ones, we capped off the year honoring more than 13,000 high school graduates who earned their right to walk across the stage. The class of 2025 from Dr. Joaquin Garcia High School made history, becoming the school's first graduating class. And we'll have another new state-of-the-art school in the fall as Saddleview Elementary School nears completion and gets ready to open in August. Thank you, Team Palm Beach, for another school year of educating, affirming, and inspiring. Enjoy your summer.